Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing fine and well. I just want to take this opportunity to thank you all for your comments and your likes on my previous video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now moving on to today's topic, which is day three of the book Magic book by Rhonda Byrne. It's on relationships. So uh, there are times in our relationships where we are either we take them for granted, or we sometimes crib or complain about why this person is like this, why doesn't he or she change. Okay. We talk negatively about him or her, which invariably actually is not good. It The negativity that you talk about that person, it goes out to the universe, and based on the law of attraction, it comes back to you. So that's the reason the greatest minds and the greatest teachers have taught us to be always grateful. So here, in this particular chapter, the practice that it has been told to have magical relationships is, you might want to consider three relations in your life. Okay. And uh, you may want to have their photographs either with them or their solo photographs. You can just keep us photos ready with you when you're doing this practice. And those three relationships which you are grateful for, there could be various reasons. It could be that they had made you laugh, they were there for you in your tough times, or they could have given you unconditional love and support, or they were there in your college days, you had a lot of fun. It could be any reason that you want to be grateful for. So just take that into consideration. uh, Take the photographs with you, and what you can do is, you can keep those photographs in front of you and think about all the things that you're grateful for that person, and just have this statement with you: thank you, XYZ person, for being with me during this tough time, or whatever reason that you want to put. And do this at least three times in a day for all the three persons, and you will see the transformation. You will see that you will start getting whatever you are grateful for, you will start getting in multiple folds. Okay, you will have to do this practice over the next 30 days, along with the other two practices that we discussed yesterday and day before yesterday. That is, count your blessings, that is at least 10 blessings in a day for which you are grateful for. And the second one is gratitude rock. Okay. And this, you there could be a variation that you would like to do. You may want to also, uh, it could be anyone, right? It could be your grandmother, it could be your mother, father, your friend, or anyone that you can think of. After this, after you have done for the relationships which are already doing good and you are grateful for, the next step you can also do is, you can try taking up those relationships where there is some turmoil going on, and you want to improve those relationships. So you can take those relationships as well after you have completed one set of this. So Yeah, that's what I wanted to share today. I hope all of you find this useful, and immense gratitude. And thank you so much for watching me live or the recorded version of this video and your feedback. Thank you so much. Cheers.